Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those who are new here, my name is Yeiii, and this is the channel where you get to live life with an engineer mom in Uganda. So basically, engineering, lifestyle, motherhood, all that is here. And if that's what you're into, just hit the subscribe button, that one over red. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing something. Something has arrived. So we're going to be unboxing this ring light that we're going to be using to film sometimes. Though I love to film with natural light. Like, look, this is natural light and we look totally okay. But then sometimes the natural light is not there, we are busy during the day and we want to film at night. That's why we have got a ring light. But let's see if the ring light will really make us not want to go back to natural light again. The natural light is really good for me because you can see me clearly. So let's unbox this. So it comes a ring light and a stand. So this is how it's packed. It comes with this for holding the phone. Yes, this one for holding the phone. It comes with a power adapter. A remote control. And its battery remote control. And this, I don't know what it is. This, what could this be? And the ring light itself. So these are 12 inches. Let's set it up and see how I look. So let's figure out what this is. But I like this because it looks more like my natural. It looks more like my natural light. So basically that's it. So now we have two options to either film with natural light or with this one. So this is it. We've got a ring light that uses a remote. I thought ring lights were for charging, but it turns out they're not for charging. They are, or maybe this one is just not for charging. But anyways, it's going to work for us. Now I'm not sure whether I want to look orange or normal. Yeah, so that's it. We shall figure out how to use it properly, because I don't like that. I don't like to see the ring light in my eyes. All that will be figured out later on. Yeah, so that's it for today's video. If you're wondering where I got my ring light from, it's called Noble Ink. Yeah, Noble Ink in town. That's where I got my ring light from. You can also go and get yours. Yeah. So anyway, that's it for today. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share, and comment, and hit the subscription bell on your way out, because things are getting better and better. I've always told you, things are gonna get better and better here. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.